Good morning, my good people. Today I want us to discuss about what are greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases, also known as GHGs, are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that trap heat during the day. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere, warming the Earth's surface. At night, the Earth's surface cools, releasing heat, but some heat is trapped by greenhouse gases. In short, what we are trying to say, within the atmosphere, we have these greenhouse gases. And because during the day, the sun heats the earth, and once the heat from the sun hits the earth, the reflection is in infrared light, and this infrared light is the one which hits the earth, and this infrared light, once it is reflected, instead of it going outside the atmosphere, the greenhouse gases which are high in the atmosphere trap that heat, and this heat is the one which heats the earth. We have higher temperatures. When you read about climate change, you hear about for the last 60 years, temperatures have gone up by 1.5 degrees centigrade. And also you hear that for the interventions which are being put now to reduce climate change or to manage climate change, you read the literature on climate change on the global organizations, they say that the timeline is that the world wants to reduce to make sure that by 2050 these temperatures should not be more than 2 degrees centigrade. This means that the temperature should not increase beyond 2 degrees centigrade, because if the Earth's temperatures goes beyond 2 degrees centigrade, it will have a catastrophic effect on the human beings, the biodiversity, the livestock, and even the rivers and the oceans and so on. And it might cause a lot of deaths. Now, what are these greenhouse gases? One, the major greenhouse gas is what is called carbon dioxide or CO2. The second one is called methane or NH4. And the third one is called nitrous oxide, N20. And the fourth ones, these ones are grouped together. They are about 4 gases, but they are grouped together and they are called chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons. These include hydrofluorocarbons, fluorocarbon, surplus hexafluoride, and nitrogen triofluoride. Those are very difficult names, but letters will be commonly we use this called simple and chlorofluorocarbons. So in short, the greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Greenhouse gases absorb the infrared radiation and trap its heat in the atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect that results in global warming. May I repeat this? Greenhouse gases absorb the infrared radiation and trap its heat in the atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect that results in global warming. So in short, the greenhouse gases trap the infrared heat from the sun in the atmosphere, and this is what causes greenhouse effect, which causes global warming. So it is very important for us to understand these greenhouse gases, because as we discuss further, or we will know later, the causes of climate change, or how to manage climate change, actually we will only be dealing with the greenhouse gases. So it's important for you to understand what are greenhouse gases. Any mitigation, any adaptation method will be towards reducing the amounts of greenhouse gases in the air. Being blessed, thank you very much.